How do you know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. So first thing what you can do is simply click on this search button over here and just search in for the particular person that you are searching, that you think who blocked you. So if you can find that particular person over here, then that's probably the reason because they blocked you. So another reason they might have blocked you is when you open a group. So let's say for example you have a group and simply click on your group name, and let's say here is a add button. If you click on that add button over here to that for that particular person and you can't add them back, so that means they have probably blocked you. So that's reason number 2. So the last thing what you can do to know if someone has blocked you is just ask a mutual friend to search for that particular person, to search for that friend, and if they can search but you can't locate that friend, then that's probably the reason because they have blocked you as well. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.